Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick rainbow eye design. If you are a beginner and you have never used a split cake before, basically a split cake is a block of paint split into different colours, and to load this you need a large flat brush. So I'm using Nat's Fancy Faces brush, and you just run it backwards and forwards across the paint. Then all you have to do is simply swipe it across the face and boom, you've got a rainbow. So for this design, all I'm doing is running that brush around the outside edge of my eye in a C shape, and I'm making sure that both of the ends finish on a point. You don't want them just to stop bluntly. Once I had the main bulk of my colour down, I went over it a couple of times just to neaten up those edges, and I was mainly concentrating on the blue side because it's closest to the eye. Next, I took a round number 4 brush and I loaded it up with some very thick white diamond effects, and I'm going to paint in the clouds. For this, you only want to paint the top edge, and you need to make sure that it's higher in the centre and then it sort of tapers out to each side. And then before this has a chance to dry, I'm using my finger to blend out that bottom edge and make it look really fluffy. I've also got a towel out of shot that I'm wiping my finger on every couple of dabs, and that just gets rid of any excess paint. Over the top of this, I'm going to use a really pretty iridescent sort of pink glitter. There's some chunky bits in there and also some really fine glitter. And again, I'm just going to use my finger to press that into the white paint. I did get some fallout underneath of the really fine glitter, but I actually really like it. I think it looks a little bit like rain. Next, I'm going to use a stencil to add in some white stars. If you happen to go outside the lines like I did, you can easily fix it. If it's on the rainbow, just take the original brush and go over the top of it. If it's on the skin, it's even easier because you can just use a wet wipe. Then with a number 2 brush, I added in some teardrops and some dots. I didn't go crazy with the teardrops because I wanted to keep this design really simple and easy, but you could absolutely add more. Go crazy if you want to, and you know, cover that rainbow in teardrops, make it your own. And the last thing I did was add a tiny bit of glitter to the stars, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd love to have you here, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.